If you want to remove blemishes, dust spots, scratches, or small distractions from a photo in Photopea, the Spot Healing Brush tool is one of the fastest tools you can learn. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step, and I'll also show you the non-destructive method so you can edit safely without damaging your original image. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea. Once your photo is loaded, look over to the left toolbar and find the Band-Aid icon. That is where the healing tools are stored. Click and hold on that icon to reveal the hidden submenu. Then choose the Spot Healing Brush tool. In most cases, it's the very first option in the list. This tool is designed to automatically blend away small imperfections by sampling nearby pixels and matching the surrounding area. Now, before you start removing anything, let's do the most important part of this tutorial, non-destructive editing. This step is crucial because it keeps your original photo intact. On the right side of the screen, open your Layers panel and click the New Layer icon at the bottom to create a blank layer above your photo. Make sure that New Blank Layer is selected. Then, look at the Options bar at the top of Photopea and turn on Sample All Layers. This tells Photopea to use the image underneath as the source, while placing the healing edits on the empty layer above it. That means if you make a mistake later, your base photo is still safe. Next, let's set up the brush correctly. You want the brush size to be just a little larger than the blemish or object you want to remove. To change the size quickly, right-click anywhere on the canvas and the brush settings will appear. Adjust the size so it comfortably covers the spot without being way too large. A brush that is too big can affect areas you do not want to touch, while a brush that is too small may not fully clean up a flaw. For hardness, a good starting point is usually around 50 to 70%. If the hardness is set all the way down to 0, the result can sometimes become too soft or blurry. A slightly firmer edge often helps the spot healing brush grab cleaner surrounding texture and blend more naturally. Of course, depending on the photo, you may need to adjust this a little, but that range is a strong starting point. Now it's time to remove the spot. Move your cursor directly over the blemish, speck, wrinkle, or dust mark you want to erase. If it's a small isolated spot, just click once. Photopea will instantly analyze the surrounding area and replace the flaw with nearby texture and color. If you're dealing with a longer mark, like a hair, a scratch, a wire, or a thin line, click and drag a short stroke along the defect instead of trying to cover the entire thing in one giant motion. After you release the mouse, Photopea processes the area automatically. In most cases, you'll see the object disappear almost immediately, and the tool will blend the lighting, tone, and texture into the surrounding image. If it looks good, move on to the next spot and repeat the process. If you need to clean up multiple blemishes, just keep working in small sections and let the tool handle one issue at a time. Here's a quick tip for getting cleaner results. Work in short bursts instead of trying to trace a huge, complicated line all at once. If you cover too much at once, the algorithm can get confused and create a blurry patch or an odd-looking texture mismatch. Small edits usually look much more natural, especially on skin, fabric, walls, or detailed backgrounds. And if something doesn't look right, don't worry. You can instantly undo the last change using Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. Then simply adjust the brush size slightly and try again. Sometimes a small size change makes a big difference in how well the tool matches the surrounding area. As you continue, zoom in when needed so you can see the imperfections more clearly, especially if you're editing a portrait or a detailed image. Then zoom back out to check that the cleanup still looks natural from a normal viewing distance. That balance helps you avoid over-editing and keeps the photo looking realistic. So that's how to use the Spot Healing Brush tool in Photopea the easy way. You now know how to select the tool, set up a blank layer for non-destructive editing, adjust the brush size and hardness, and remove blemishes cleanly with just a click or a short stroke. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.